Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Last week I told you have to write down letter, correct or not? Formal letter to the, there was two letters given, but then I told you one letter you have to complete as it is from the book, correct? Writing letter to the librarian, it is there in the book, correct? I told you to write down as it is, and then one letter I told you to prepare on your own. स्वतः तयार करायचं होतं ते लेटर, ओके. अँड फॉर्मॅट वॉज गिवन हिअर हाऊ टू मेक हाऊ टू राईट अ लेटर, ओके. अँड आय हॅव ऑल्सो टॉट यू the sender's address, receiver's address, then subject, then main, what do we call main letter you can say, or main format of the letter, or what is the actual thing you want to write in the letter, that, and then downside yours faithfully or yours lovingly, whatever it is, okay. That is ending. Today we are going to start with the poem, poem number 18. We have started unit 3, growing up. And in this poem, in growing up, there are two sub poems. The first poem is Mr. Thomas Frog, okay. One is what? Mr. Thomas Frog. Now in Mr. Thomas Frog, what is there that we are going to study in today's period? In tomorrow's period, we will study in the poem, the butterfly, what is given. Okay, now Mr. Thomas Frog, first I will recite poem for you. And here the meaning of the lesson, the meaning of the poem itself tells us growing up. Growing up means what? There are some stages of growing of everything, or any living thing on the earth has some process or stages of growing, correct? Now for example of human beings, what is stage of human beings? First we are baby, we cannot move from our place. Then when we become of 4-5 months, then people catch us, or your parents or your family members catch you in the hand, and then they roam. After that you start walking. Once you start walking, then what happens? There are each and every living thing, or each and every organism has its some stages of growing. And today we are going to study about the life cycle of frog, okay. First, everyone knows that any living thing is in the form of embryo, like a small egg, okay. Then in the life cycle of frog, from this embryo it changes to tadpole. It changes to tadpole, and then that tadpole has what? It has a tail, okay. Tadpole has a tail. Now in the book it is given how what? Yes, here it is. You can see tadpole has a tail, okay. The second stage of frog is tadpole, and then it becomes adult frog. Then it becomes what? Adult frog. And then these stages are told in the poem. How it changes, how does the little Tommy tadpole changes into adult frog. First I will recite poem for you, and then I'll explain you first stanza, then I'll explain you second stanza, okay. Here it is now. Poem number 18, growing up, unit 3, Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy tadpole began to weep and wail. It began to weep and wail means what? Weep means it began to cry. W-E-E-P. What is meaning of word weep? The meaning of word weep is crying, okay. What is meaning of word weep? The meaning of word weep is crying. W-E-E-P. Weep means what? It began to cry, or you can say crying. And how it started crying? It started crying well means what? It started crying bitterly. How does it started crying? It started crying bitterly. Bitterly म्हणजे खूप जोरात रडायला लागलं. कोण? Little Thomas tadpole, or little Tommy tadpole, okay. Here it is now. When it becomes big, at that time he becomes Mr. Thomas Frog. When it is small, baby, at that time what is the name given by the poet to that small baby? Little Tommy tadpole, okay. The name of our poet is what? C.J. Dennis. What is name of the poet? C.J. Dennis. C.J. Dennis is saying that little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. Now, baby doesn't understand what changes are taking place in its body, and this little Tommy Tadpole, it began to weep, it began to cry, and it was crying so bitterly. Okay, it was crying so bitterly that what was the reason behind crying? For little Tommy Tadpole had lost his tail. Now, what happened? He lost his little tail means what happened? The changes were taking place in his body, and when he was having a tail, and this tadpole changed into the adult frog. It changed into what? It changed into the adult. It changed into the adult frog. And when it was changing, it did not understand. It didn't understand that there are some changes taking place into my body. What he thought? Someone has cut my tail, or what? Where did my tail disappear? And it started weeping and wailing. It started crying bitterly. Why? Because he thinks that I have lost my tail, but actually his tail was cut out. What? No, the tail disappeared, and that Tommy Tadpole changed into the frog. Okay, it became like this. Okay, it changed into the frog. Changes were taking place in its body, but it started weeping. Where my tail went, where did my tail go? It started crying and weeping because he's thinking that I lost my tail. In second stanza, what is given? And his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. His mother also did not realize, because you know it very well. Any baby's mother goes on a work. Now mother frog will go do what? She will just sit near the baby or what? No, she went to bring food for him. She went in the search of the food, and when she came back, she did not realize. तिला समजलंच नहीं. She did not realize that her child has changed into adult frog. She's thinking that my baby is small only. But then when she saw him sitting on a log means what? Piece of a wood. Correct? Round piece of a wood is called what? Round piece of a wood is called log. Okay? And he was sitting, that tadpole was sitting on a log, and all of a sudden changes took place in his body, and his mother didn't realize it. She did not recognize only. She thought my baby is small only, and she did not recognize that this adult frog is my baby or is my son. Okay, she did not recognize. And then here it is told that, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole now. He was not now small. He was not a baby. He was not a small Tommy Tadpole, but he has become now. He had become Mr. Thomas Frog. Understood? He is not baby now. He has become adult frog, and the name of that adult frog is what? Mr. Thomas Frog. Understood? You know it very well. 24 hours mothers cannot be with their baby. So as she went on her work, when she returned back, she did not recognize that this frog who is weeping, who is crying on a piece of log or on a piece of wood, is my son. And then afterwards she realized that, oh, this is my only baby. The growth has taken place in his body, and he has turned into Mr. Thomas Frog. Okay, in this way I have explained you poem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and do one thing, write down this poem in your English notebook and learn it. Okay, it is very easy. And the butterfly I will explain you in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.